Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I am running really late. Other people waiting for their bus. Anyways, I'm late. I have a presentation today that I have to do, which I'm really dressed up for, if y'all couldn't tell. Good morning, everybody. It's 8:05. My class started at 8. It's okay though, because my class doesn't actually start, like my teacher doesn't start until about 8:20. But I do want to be there on time. Got my flashcards for my test later. Here's Alyssa. I look like I don't brush my hair. You did it? I just did my presentation. And I'm really good at telling them French toast day. Alyssa says it's French toast day. Hey y'all, I'm about to go take this test in biology. Alright, y'all. It's time to make some cookies. So, I went to the Kroger. That didn't sound cool. I thought it was going to. And I got 3 different ingredients. So, I got the oats, the ones I picked out, because I didn't know if I told y'all already, we're making healthy 2-ingredient, but I'm adding chocolate chips, cookies. So I have steel cut, 100% whole grain. I think this is the Kroger brand, because we ain't talking about expensive. The next thing I got is these Nestle Toll House semi-sweet 100% real chocolate chips. Pretty simple, pretty exciting. And then I bought 1 banana, but I didn't even realize we already had 2 bananas. This one's a little darker than I'd like, but I think they all are okay. Like if you cook them, it's not bad. I don't know. So I'm gonna save this banana. So this is supposed to be super easy, super yummy and nutritious. We're gonna put it in this bowl. Oh shoot. Boom. I can't see this being good. So I've been on this diet for, it's my 3rd day. Haven't broke yet, but I've been craving cookies. So that's why we're making these. So I got my nanners and I'm just gonna literally smash them. Oh. Might take a little bit. Okay, I've mashed it up. Looks kind of gross, but okay. So now we're gonna open these quick oats up. Sorry, but these aren't really festive, but you can easily find things that are. You can add in anything to these cookies. I'm just adding in chocolate because I love chocolate. So I think I got the wrong thing. I'm gonna cry, but hopefully this works. If not, well, that sucks. So I didn't know what steel cut was, but this is what it is. So it's a cup and 3/4. Hopefully it still works out pretty good because I don't know, I just hope so. I poured it all in there and that's how much is in there. And I'm just gonna stir it. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put some of these in there. So I like licked my fingers. Actually pretty good. So I have to measure everything out. Boom. Boom. So since my recipe didn't have, okay, I'm gonna taste some of these. Whoa. All right. Do I like spray it? We're gonna spray this because I see my mom spray it when we had the cake. Just find a non-stick spray. Now, I'm gonna use a spoon. And it actually said, however you put it on there is how it's going to stay. So, once you put it on there, they said flatten it out. This is my main product. It just looks like this. Also, if y'all get the right one, so I got the steel cut. That's why they're so cut so tiny. But basically, just buy oatmeal. Hey, everybody. Say hi, Papa. Say hi. So I have come to the conclusion I do the same thing every single day, especially since it's finals. Like, I had a test today, a lab final. I think I did so good on it. Let me not lie to y'all. I feel like I did so good on that final. I only didn't know 2 questions, so that's really good, especially in biology, because biology is kind of hard. I'm in the biology for majors, which was a mistake. I'm not supposed to be in that class, but I stuck it through, and I really am happy about that. So, back to my life being boring. I have been doing non-stop work and trying to make things fun for y'all because it's vlogmas, so I want to put a video up every single day, but I just don't know what to film. Like, I have some things that I'm gonna do like planned out already for certain dates. I have what's on my iPhone coming up, room tours, packing with me for the cruise because that's coming up soon. Have cruise vlogs that I'm gonna do. He's so good at blanket. She already caught it. But there's just so much, like right now I feel like it's gonna be a boring time period because I'm going to school. I'm getting my homework done. I have finals like almost every single, like I have a test almost every single day. So I just don't know what I'm gonna be filming, so I'm just apologizing. I'm not like saying, oh, poor me. Like, I'm just apologizing if these are boring and kind of repetitive. I'll get it. I just threw it in the tree. He so knew better. I threw it and like landed in the tree, and he was just like, and then he looked at me, and then that's when I said, I'll get it. But hang on, let me finish this. Break time. He's gonna be so mad. So hopefully y'all like these cookies that I'm gonna be that I made, and I tried to not make it a very long actual vlog because, like I said, I did the exact same thing basically as my last vlog. So yeah, this is my protector. So I put my cookies in the oven, and now I get to do, how many papers do I have to write tonight? It's only a page long. I have to write 8 pages. Yeah. And I might go spend the night at my friend's house. I don't know. Just depends how much work I get done. And that's really all it depends on. And I have lessons I have to go give in a little bit. So that'll be fun. I don't think I'll vlog that though because I'm giving lessons to someone. But yeah. All right. They don't look like anything. they're hard. They're hard. They're hard. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, everyone. I just tried my cookies. Here's a live footage of that. Trying my cookies. This is what it turned out to be. I just flipped it because it just looks better. You can definitely taste that they're healthy. You can taste the banana, which I didn't know what I was thinking. Like, of course you can. They're good, but they're like really healthy. Like, you can taste it, and I don't know how I feel about that. Update, everything is still there. There's only 2 missing. The one I tried and threw away, and then the one my brother tried and like passed it around the family. Nobody likes them. Definitely a fail. They taste disgusting. Thinking about them make me not hungry ever again. But like, I don't know. We're not healthy people in this family, so. Do we like them, Bubba? No, we didn't. That's the tea. I'm just more of a sweet tooth. Like, I have a huge sweet tooth all the time, and nothing was sweet about that other than the chocolate chips, and like, that's not the healthy part. So you definitely taste the banana. I feel like if you're really like a health person, you would like them. I'm very picky. I feel like my parents would like them too, but I'm really picky and I didn't like them. So if I go out with my friends, I'll vlog that. But basically, I'm in for the night. I'm doing homework, just like always. So hopefully you guys, be quiet, Bubba. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you like my Christmas tree. I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.